So before I put this first c-purlin on, I measured the distances from down here and across here. They're like a 1/4 inch off. And so I translated those into up here as well. So I just ran a rope with a bowline trucker's hitch, tightened them down, pulled them together, and I made sure I pulled both of them together because when I pulled that one, that far one, it twisted these two out. So I had to make sure and get them both set perfectly, and then I set one up there. I've clamped it in place. I'm going to tack weld it in and get it burned in, and then I'll probably come to this other side and do this one right here. And then once I'm done with that, I'll take the ropes off. It's not going to move side to side anymore. These ends aren't going to move side to side anymore, and then I can get the rest burned in.
I like that better for this 14. This is 14 gauge c-purlin. So the stick welder I was doing okay with, but I feel a lot better about the consistency of the weld here with the MIG welder. Okay. Happiness.